Intrinsic value of a money is perceived or the true value, right? Gold is perceived to be more expensive than silver, so gold coins would be more costlier than the silver. And then there is face value, what is written on this money. ये NCERT level है, right? This is NCERT level knowledge. So intrinsic value is actually a true value. For example, gold is expensive than silver, so gold coin will be expensive than silver coin. क्लियर है? हम सबको पता है गोल्ड इज एक्सपेंसिव देन सिल्वर बिकॉज स्केर्सिटी है. There's a scarcity of gold than silver. So this is a true value. Okay, if 1 gram of gold equals to 7,500 rupees, if this is the case, it will same across the world. It will same across the world. In dollars, let's say 1 gram, if you have to convert this into dollar, the valuation will be same. It will be like $80, $85, which is converted into 7,500 only. So ऐसा नहीं है कि 1 gram of gold is expensive in India and it is like half of the price of India in, let's say, USA. ऐसा नहीं होता है. The price of gold more or less remains the same across the world. Taxes are different. So why do we have cheaper gold in Dubai? Taxes and availability. Over there the supply is more than demand. इसलिए वहां पे थोड़ा सा cheaper है. And the tax rates are different. Otherwise the true value of a gold more or less remains the same across the world. I'm not including transportation charge. ये मत सोचना कि मैंने transportation insurance वो जोड़ दिया and then I'm saying कि नहीं सर वो तो अलग होता है. सब कुछ हटा दो. Taxes, transportation charge, money, market forces, सब कुछ हटा दो. The gold is same everywhere and that is known as intrinsic value, which is the true value. Now, let's say there is a 500 rupee note. You have a 500 rupee note. The printing of this note is just 15 rupees. To print, the cost of printing is 15 rupees, but it is 500. Are you stupid, or we all are stupid to understand that the actual cost of 500 rupee is 15 rupee only? So the true value, the intrinsic value of this note is 15 only, but it's actually 500. Are we stupid to assume that 15 rupee is 500? We are. Why? Because it has been trusted by the government. It's a fiat money. It has been trusted by the government. Government ने कहा ये 500 है तो है. So the trust given by the government on us is something that we should think about. So this is something which is face value. In majority of the cases, face value is always more than the intrinsic value. True value से ज़्यादा ही होता है. Okay. So these are the money forms. आपने NCERT में पढ़ा होगा. The first one is token money. Intrinsic value is higher than the face value gold coins. ठीक है. उससे आप ज्यादा भी खरीद सकते हो. 1 rupee gold, which I told you is 7,500, it can work to even buy it something 10,000. Oh sorry, something 10,000 or 8,000. उसकी ज्यादा वैल्यू हो सकती है. Full bodied money, intrinsic value is equal to the face value. 1 gram gold coins 7,500, it is 7,500 only anywhere in any parts of India. Then fiat money, वो trust पे चलता है, right? Does not have any intrinsic value, but used after the declaration as a legal tender. जो भी हमारे currency notes होते हैं, right? Currency notes and others. Then fiduciary money accepted on the account of mutual trust between the two parties. Check, bank checks. So the checkbook that is given to you by a bank and you sign a check, it is only on the trust between the customer and the bank. If there is no trust, bank will not accept the checkbook or that particular check. Sometimes even signing a checkbook or signing a check and you have signed something wrong may reject your check, क्योंकि ट्रस्ट नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं कि वो आपके रिलेटिव हैं, योर ब्रदर और योर सिस्टर और योर रिलेटिव इज सिटिंग इन द बैंक एंड वेदर यू साइन इट और नॉट और यू डोंट साइन, काम चल जाएगा. नो, दैट काइंड ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट देयर. इट इज ओनली बेस्ड ऑन द ट्रस्ट. Then you have near money, an alternative mode of payment. Near money which cannot be directly used to purchase goods. You cannot use this money directly to purchase something, but it is converted to cash easily. So credit cards. If you are thinking, sir, I can use my credit card to purchase something, करके देख लो. Credit card is not a money. It is backed by a money. The value of credit card is the value of amount that is there in your bank or the loan that is being given to you. Credit उस प्लास्टिक की कोई कीमत नहीं है. That plastic card is of no value. आपने स्वाइप किया, it is zero, तो उसकी zero value भी है. So that's why it is near money, कि almost पैसा है. वो एक myth होता है. Credit card is a myth. Bond is a myth. Government security is a myth. You think it is money, but it is not. First of all, it is not accepted everywhere. हर जगह तो यूज कर नहीं सकते हो आप. आप सब्जी खरीदने गए और आपने वो आलू के ऊपर स्वाइप कर दिया. It doesn't work. You go to a confectionery shop to buy sweets and then you offer that person government bonds against the sweets. वो लेगा नहीं, वो कहेगा convert this. So near money is something that needs to be converted because before the payment is made. So when you swipe your credit card, that transaction is converted into a cash or a currency, and that currency is being transferred to the other person. Your credit card is not being transferred. The value is transferred. And the last one is helicopter money. काफी news में रहा है, because it is the money that is spread across the sector. बस ऐसे बांट दिया, right? You just throw it from the helicopter. It refers to the increasing the supply of money in an economy through measures such as more spending, tax cuts. जो अभी हुआ है, which was done by Nirmala Sitharaman in the recent budget. Income tax has been reduced. So now almost if a person is earning 1 lakh rupee a month or 12 lakh rupee a year, he will not be paying any income tax. So this tax cut का मतलब क्या हुआ? Government has given you more money in your pocket. इसे कहते हैं हेलीकॉप्टर मनी. हेलीकॉप्टर मनी, इट इज द वर्ड एक्चुअली डिराइव्स फ्रॉम द रिलीफ गिवन थ्रू अ हेलीकॉप्टर. व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ फेमाइन, कहीं पर कोई फेमाइन, ड्रॉट्स या कुछ आ जाता है, सो गवर्नमेंट थ्रोज फूड आइटम्स फ्रॉम द हेलीकॉप्टर. वैसे थ्रो करती है हेलीकॉप्टर से. इन द सिमिलर फैशन इट्स लाइक गवर्नमेंट थ्रोइंग मनी टू द इकोनॉमी कि ये लो पैसा, इंजॉय. दैट इज नोन एज हेलीकॉप्टर मनी. ये काफ़ी न्यूज़ में भी रहा है ड्यूरिंग the COVID crisis when we were fighting around. So many of them suggested to go for helicopter money, right? कि ये सब करना चाहिए. So these are the basic norms